friends, family, tastemakers, and my posh partners. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm working on small, inexpensive gifts right now. So have you ever gone to Dollar Tree or any place and you've seen these metal tins? You know, these are, we all know you put cookies in there and they're great for, what do they call these? These are great for like if you're sending off cookies and stuff. But I wanted to do something different. I'm not sending out cookies anymore. Even though I love making holiday cookies, everyone's watching their sugar. No one, you know, I don't want to contribute to anyone's diabetes. So what I'm doing, I'm prepping my container. And I have some craft paper here. So we're gonna need craft paper. You're gonna need your container. You're gonna need some cello wrap. You're gonna need some gift tissue. And the white always comes, you get 35 sheets when you get the white. All of this from Dollar Tree. What is this? Decorative shred. You're going to need tape. You're going to need scissors. And you're going to need a bow and the contents. And I'll get just make it as neat as you can. All right, and then put a little. I've done probably 10 gifts so far, and I'm still using the same bag of shred. Just put a little bit of shred. We need all the cushion we can get. A little bit of shred. You don't even have to do it. You can do it after. I'm going to do, for this gift, it'll be better for me to do it after I put the contents in there. These are great for like your boss, co-worker gifts. When I had a cleaning company, I used to clean a barber shop, and I would like on each of the guys' station, I would, put something like this on there. So in here we have some Sweet Chaos drizzled popcorn. This is the peppermint crunch. We have some truffles. The ones in the purple box are really good. We got some Purine, these wafers. This is new out. This is called Coconut Dime. This is Red Delight, and it's created in Europe. It's milk chocolate truffles with a coconut filling. And it's supposed to be gluten-free, non-GMO, no sugar. Okay, so we got these, and then we got the holiday dots. So the packaging on here is just so cute. So we can't deny that. Okay, so we've already prepped our tin. I'm going to put the, this is going to be the backing of that tin, and that's going to hold up this popcorn. I'll turn it around in just a minute, okay? So you guys just see what I did here. Here is the tin, the top of the box. I just stuck it in the back there. Okay, and I taped the items to each other. I'm going to put this in the center here. Don't need a whole lot of tape. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now I'm going to put a candy cane on each side. Make sure everything's secure. See how, okay, let's see, what did I do? Put shred here. This is kind of filling in the gaps. You can this is what I do. Sometimes I don't mind, you know, the blank space. Some people don't want any space at all. But you can add some little candies in here. You do that. And in the back, see, there's a little gap back here. Put some candy canes back there if you want. I'm not doing it. We already have enough candy canes. We have enough. So that's how you can do something. And then, like if you give this to a coworker, you know, they can, this stuff does fit in the box. So they can just close the box and have some snacks at their desk, you know, until they finish it off. Okay, so now after that, and then let's see, what do I have over here? Okay, so then we're going to wrap it up in some cello wrap and put your bow on top. Isn't that cute? I love that. I love that. And like after the holidays, they're normally an abundance of these. Like if you go to Dollar General or Family Dollar, you can probably get these for 50 cents or less. Okay, so here is my other one. So you wrap it up in cello wrap. Isn't that pretty? A lot going on. It's Vlogmas. Okay, so this is just as beautiful. And I'm just saying that because we can do this. These are things that are accessible. And that's why I'm doing Dollar Tree. These are, most towns have a Dollar Tree, a Family Dollar, or a Dollar General, Walmart. You can get the stuff anywhere you want. But it's the idea that counts. You get these little tins and stack up your recipient's favorite snacks and cookies and cookies and popcorn and all that. Present it to them with a nice gift box. This is good for, like I said, co-workers, friends, family, neighbors. If someone's invited you over to their house for a holiday party, you can just bring, this would be a great hostess gift. You know, you're already eating, at least you'll give them something, you know, they can snack on later on. Okay, guys, I think that's everything. And I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in today. And if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. My old subscribers, if you got any inspiration or if you like this video, hit that like button. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. We're teaming up here. You know, I want to bring you guys good content and good ideas. And all I ask is if you like it, hit the like button, okay? And comment if you want to. I respond to all comments. All right, guys? Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. Isn't that pretty? That cost under $10.